Hello everyone. Today we are introducing an incredible opportunity to join Madhusudan Kela's team and start copy trading. But before we dive in, let's hear a short story. You might have heard of the 13-year-old boy who started by selling newspapers and doing odd jobs to save money and then invested that money in the stock market. That boy is now one of the richest people in the world, Warren Buffett. While other kids were playing, he was busy buying and selling stocks. Today, he ranks 8th on the list of the world's wealthiest people. Not too long ago, he was in the top 3. Although he donated a significant amount of money during the pandemic, he remains among the top rich people. If you look at the list of the world's richest people, you'll notice very few celebrities or athletes. Even film stars or top athletes cannot match the earnings of top investors. Most people on the rich list are either businessmen or investors. Businessmen need a great business idea, and they spend years working hard and researching to turn it into a profitable venture. If their idea succeeds, it takes years of effort before their business starts making a profit. On the other hand, investors simply need to pick a company listed in the stock market, research it, and invest their money. This way, they share in the company's profits. A good investor has a keen sense of money, which allows them to succeed in financial markets. For regular investors, making a profit in the market requires a deep understanding, familiarity with market dynamics, and the ability to spot changes. This undoubtedly takes a lot of time and effort. However, copy trading offers us a new way to build wealth by directly copying the trades of successful investors. This makes profiting in the stock market easier than ever before. Even novice investors can earn substantial profits this way. Copy trading lets you follow professional traders' trades. You can choose a platform that connects your account to theirs via API. Whatever trades they execute will automatically be carried out in your account, including setting targets and stop losses. This method is excellent for new investors as it saves them time and effort in learning and executing trades. Madhusudan Kela's team comprises top industry professional analysts with extensive trading experience and exceptional performance. Their trading strategies are thoroughly analyzed and verified to ensure consistent profits. By joining Madhusudan Kela's team, you can benefit from expert trading strategies without spending a lot of time and effort on market research and study. Joining Madhusudan Kela's team for copy trading is very simple. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Register on Max Wealth Securities. Visit the Max Wealth Securities official website and open a new account. During registration, enter your invitation code to ensure your invite is valid. 2. Complete identity verification. After registration, follow the instructions to upload the required identity documents and complete the verification process. 3. Select your strategy manager. Log into your Max Wealth Securities account and choose Madhusudan Kela's team as your strategy manager. Check out their historical and current trading strategies, the number of followers, and the instruments they are trading. 4. Start copy trading. Once you have chosen your strategy manager, your account will be automatically linked to theirs via API. From then on, all trades by Madhusudan Kela's team will be automatically executed in your account. By copy trading with Madhusudan Kela's strategy, you can enjoy approximately 30% weekly returns. However, 40% of the profits will be paid as a copy trading fee to Madhusudan Kela's team. For example, if you invest 100,000 rupees and the team earns a 30% return in a week, your profit will be 30% of the 100,000, which makes it 30,000 rupees. Out of this, 40% will be the fee, leaving you with a net profit of 18,000 rupees. If you want to learn more about stock copy trading, join Madhusudan Kela's social group. Here, you can learn, discuss, and gain more insights into copy trading with other investors. Copy trading offers you an easy way to enter the trading market. By joining Madhusudan Kela's team, you can achieve consistent profits and benefit from professional trading strategies without doing extensive research yourself. Join Madhusudan Kela's team now and start your copy trading journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.